Bex, right there. Yep, here we are. Beautiful. Couldn't have picked a nice day for this beautiful. So we just got off the train and now we're in Sydney Harbour. This is really, really nice. Never been here before. You can see the ferries. Wow, look at the ferries coming in. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, can we? Is there a place nearby where we can just pick up like a hot drink?
Oh yeah,
Yeah, I feel like getting. But oh, this is beautiful. Look at the ferries coming in. How many ferries come in at a time? Wow, it's so lovely. You can actually, you don't really capture it really on the camera. You know what I mean? Yeah, the video is not capturing the real.
Yeah.
How beautiful it is. Oh, this is here we are finally in Sydney. CBD? How old do you think that is, Bex? How old is that? What's the history of it? Yeah. We must find out how old that.
Yeah. There's probably something over there that tells us. Bridges. And then you can see Luta Park there, that's a lot.
Oh, that's where we were. We were on that side, yeah. We went to Luta Park, so this is where we are right now. We're going to get around to see beautiful Sydney. So first stop, we're going to visit, where are we going to the museum? We're going to go to the museum, and then we're off to, oh, there's the Opera House over there. Didn't even see that. There's the Opera House. We're going there first, or we're going to the museum first?
Yeah, we'll go down there.
Yeah, that's the Opera House. You can just see the bit of a corner there. Oh, this is lovely. I love it. So beautiful. This is like something I've kind of seen in a movie, you know, but you're actually here now.
You see it all the time.
Yeah. So this is us, and we're going to have a good day today. Yep, okay. Catch you later on my next video. Woo!